Welcome to the Safe Farming Tasmania COVID-19 safety video. Before we begin, it's important to cover what your employer must do to help you to stay COVID safe at work. They can do this by providing you with personal protective equipment like gloves and masks, performing regular health checks, providing access to sanitizer and hand washing stations, and introducing management controls so everyone can physically distance, like limiting the number of people working in indoor spaces such as packing sheds, dairies and shearing sheds. Whether you're growing, harvesting or packing our quality Tasmanian produce, there are some things you must do to make sure you and your fellow workers stay safe. Let's start with the most vital thing. Don't come to work if you are feeling sick. If you think you have any COVID-19 symptoms or are otherwise feeling unwell, do not come to work. COVID-19 symptoms include fever or signs of fever, including chills or night sweats, runny nose, cough, sore, itchy throat, shortness of breath, and loss of taste or smell. No matter how mild your symptoms, stay in your accommodation, isolate from others, and call the Public Health Hotline on 1-800-671-738. You can also contact your doctor to arrange a test. As a casual worker, you can apply for financial support if you are instructed to isolate by a public health official and cannot work. Remember to contact the Public Health Hotline to see you are eligible. Practice good hygiene. Hand washing can have a huge impact. Make sure you do it properly and regularly, especially before and after eating, before you leave home, and as soon as you return home. Using soap and carefully lathering it on your hands and wrists for 20 seconds before washing it off under running water will help protect you. Warm water and soap is the most effective way of cleaning your hands, but using disinfectant sanitizer is recommended after washing or if you don't have access to soap and water. Your employer will provide you with adequate soap, paper towels, sanitizer, and a place to wash your hands. Finally, if you need to cough or sneeze, do it into a tissue or into your elbow and turn away from other people near you. Throw the used tissue in the bin and wash or sanitize your hands immediately after. Keeping your workplace clean. It's likely you'll be working near others, so it's also important to thoroughly clean and disinfect your equipment and work area to protect yourself and others. This should be done at least daily or as otherwise instructed. Your employer must provide the cleaning equipment, detergent or disinfectant you need to do this task. Remember to physically distance. We explained at the start of the video how your employer will limit how many people can safely be in a work area so that everyone complies with the 1 person per 2 square metre rule. Make sure you follow the room numbers your employer has set. The more space there is between you and others, the harder it is for the virus to move from person to person. We recommend that where practicable, you and your co-workers stay 1.5 metres apart. Your employer should have done things like mark spots on the floor and at your workstations so you can see where you can safely stand. Provide protective screens, barriers or masks and gloves when it's not possible to stay 1.5 metres apart. Make sure you stand on these marks and follow any directions that your employer gives you so you can stay 1.5 metres apart. Physical distancing also means no physical greetings like shaking hands or hugging when saying hello or goodbye to others. If there is an outbreak at your workplace, in the event of an outbreak, public health officials and your employer will tell you what to do, so make sure you follow their instructions. You can also download the COVID Safe app on your phone, which will support finding people who have been in close contact with someone with COVID-19. Downloading the app is voluntary, but is a good way to help you, your co-workers, and your family and friends stay safe.
Whether you're working in a dairy, a shearing shed, on a berry farm like this, or just driving a tractor in a paddock, let's all follow the rules and keep on top of COVID.